Hey YouTube, this is Josh. I'm doing some upgrading on the Xplorer today, putting in some new batteries and some solar panels. I have removed the original house battery. It had a Marine Everstart 12-volt battery. I removed it and installed two Duracell 12-volt AGM batteries. These are 105 amp hours a piece. Got them wired in parallel, and they just barely fit inside there. Got those at Sam's Club yesterday. Total price, tax and all, and the two core charges, $424. And I have removed the little panel that came in the Xplorer. I think there was a 5-watt solar panel on top that originally came with the Xplorer. And I have bought this Renogy MPPT solar charger. It's supposed to be a pretty good one. And I just basically removed the old one and installed this in its place. Right now I just have the 5-watt hooked up, and I'm fixing to install 4 100-watt panels. Got my son James with me today. Hey James. And here's the solar panels I'm fixing to put up. Got 4 of these. They've all got the MC4 connectors on the back. And I'm going to wire these up in series. So it'll be 400 watts. $400 total, and the voltage is going to be added together since they're going to be in series. That way the amps will stay the same, and then the charge controller can convert all that to the proper charging voltage for the batteries. So that's what I'm working right now, is getting these installed. I bought these little aluminum brackets to mount the solar panels on top of the Xplorer. Let me take you up here and show you what it looks like so far. Alright, so here's the old 5-watt solar panel. That's coming off, and I'm going to put 4 100-watt panels on top, wired in series and connected right here. And then this goes down to the charge controller. Alright, now we'll show you the finished product when I get it done.